Hi there, thanks for joining us. Congress is close to passing the biggest tax reform measure in a generation.
And this is after changes were made to secure the votes of some key senators. Our Samuel King joins us now. Samuel, accountants are already planning for the bill's impact and how this is going to affect us.
That's right, Tim. The president and GOP leaders promise this bill will cut taxes for millions of Americans. But experts say the true impact remains to be seen. They do say, though, there are some steps you can take this year before the changes go into effect.
This is going to be one of the great Christmas gifts to middle-income people.
Leaving for a trip to Camp David, President Donald Trump touted the benefits of the final version of the tax bill Congress plans to vote on next week.
Jobs are going to come pouring back into this country, which we need very much.
The bill will cut the corporate tax rate from 35% to 21%, lowers most individual income tax rates, doubles the standard deduction, and creates a big child tax credit for low-income families. But at the same time, it caps the local and state tax deduction at $10,000 and caps the mortgage interest deduction at $750,000.
It's really going to be on a case-by-case basis to see who comes out better and who comes out worse.
Minneapolis CPA and tax expert Steve Warren says the biggest impact besides lowering income tax rates is the doubling of the standard deduction.
What you take is a higher of your standard deduction, and if it's more, your itemized deductions. With that higher standard deduction, far fewer people are going to be itemizing, but you can still itemize for a lot of those same folks in 2017.
So he advises people think about making some charitable contributions or mortgage payments intended for 2018 this year.
For a lot of people, they're going to be in a higher tax bracket, no more in income this year than next year. So you're going to get more benefit from that income reduction when your rates are higher now than later.
President is hoping to sign the tax reform package into law by Christmas, but both the House and Senate would have to approve it before that happens. Most of these provisions would go into effect for the 2018 tax year, so workers would see changes in their paychecks sometime early next year. Tim, Karen?
All right, sounds good, Sam.